Hello and welcome students, myself Kumar Saurabh. Today, the thing which I have brought with me is a little bit different from the things which I usually bring to you. Today we'll be solving a set of syllogism questions. Okay, so let's see how these type of questions are solved. Though in an exam like CLAT, there is a high possibility that questions like this might not come, but then the consortium of NLU hasn't explicitly said that these type of questions are not going to be there in the examination. So keeping that in mind, I thought we should discuss a couple of sets related to other type of questions as well. So this video is in furtherance of that only. So without wasting any more time, let's just get started. All right. So there are certain statements here. Some cats are rats. All bats are tables. All bats are tables. And all rats are bats. So based on these statements, we have to choose conclusions. Out of these four conclusions, which of the conclusions are correct? So let's see. Some cats are rat. So it can be represented in this form. Just focus on your screens. So it can be represented like this. So cats, rats, cats and rats. Some cats are rats. So it is represented like this. Then all bats are tables. All bats are tables. Okay, all bats are tables. ऐसा करके हमने रिप्रेजेंट कर लिया यहाँ पे. फिर कहा जा रहा है all rats are bats. All rats are bats. So we can now say that it can be represented like this, and there is going to be an intersection for tables. So this is the final figure for us. Now based on this, we need to give an answer. First is some cats are bats. One. So some cats are bats. Yeah, it is true. Second, all bats are rats. All bats are rat. No, this is not correct. This is not correct. Third, all tables are cats. Again, all tables are not cats, because if at all, there is no intersection between these two circles. Then all bats are cats. All bats are cats. No, it is not so. So only one statement was correct, and there is no option here which indicates that. So we are going to choose D, which says none of these as the right answer. Moving on to the next question. Statements are some ships are boats. Some ships are boats. Okay. All boats are submarines. All right. And then some submarines are yachts. So this is going to be our final figure representing these statements. Now based on this, the first conclusion is some yachts are boat. Can we say some yachts are boat? No, we can't. Then second, some submarines are boat. Yes, some submarines are boat. So second conclusion is correct. Then some submarines are ships. Some submarines are ships. Yes, it is also true. It is also true. So 2 and 3 are true. Abhi tak. Last, some yachts are ships. No, we can't say that for sure. So based on all of that, B, which says only 2 and 3 follow, is the right answer. Next question. All carrots are birds. All carrots are birds. ठीक है. Some telephones are carrots. Okay, so some telephones are carrots. All bed sheets are telephones. So all bed sheets are telephones. तो ऐसा कुछ हमारे पास फिगर आ चुका है. Let's see. All bed sheets are birds. All bed sheets are birds. No. So 1 is not correct. 2. Some bed sheets are birds. Some bed sheets are birds. some bed sheets are birds. That might be the correct one. Third, some birds are telephones. Some birds are telephones. Again, ये जो second statement है ना, some bed sheets are bird, it is a possibility, but can we say that for sure? नहीं, इस फिगर से for sure, surety के साथ हम लोग ये बात नहीं बोल पाएंगे. But some birds are telephones, ये हम लोग श्योरिटी के साथ बोल सकते हैं. So 3 is correct अभी तक. All telephones are birds. That is not correct based on this figure. So only 3 follows. Option D is the correct one. देख रहे हो, इजी है ये सब बनाना, बहुत ज्यादा टेंशन की बात होती नहीं. जस्ट आप अच्छे से अगर फिगर्स बना सकते हो, बेसिकली सिलोजिज्म के सवाल हैं ये सारे के सारे, यही बेसिक मोडस ऑपरेंडी होता है इनको बनाने का. ऐसा कर लोगे, मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में आप सही आंसर्स बना पाओगे. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट्स. मोस्ट सीपीयूज आर कीबोर्ड्स. मोस्ट सीपीयूज आर कीबोर्ड्स. कीबोर्ड्स, CPU. Okay. Then no keyboard is a mouse. No keyboard is a mouse. And all mouses are CPU. तो माउसेस यहां कहीं आएंगे जिसमें से कोई भी कीबोर्ड माउस नहीं हो रहा है, बट सारे के सारे माउसेस जो हैं वो CPU जरूर है. सो इस तरीके का एक फिगर बनेगा. सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज सम कीबोर्ड्स आर CPU. Yes, it might be the correct one. Second, all CPUs are mouses. All CPUs are mouses. नहीं, ये तो गलत है, उल्टा है. All mouses are CPUs. No mouse is a keyboard. Yes, ये तो यहाँ पे mentioned ही है. So no mouse is a keyboard. And then some mouse. No mouse is a keyboard. हाँ, तो ये सही हो गया ना, ये बिल्कुल सही हो गया. Some कीबोर्ड्स आर CPU भी सही हो गया. सेकंड सही नहीं है. लास्ट, सम माउस आर कीबोर्ड. सम माउस आर कीबोर्ड, नो. तो ये दोनों गलत है. 1 and 3 आर करेक्ट. सो हियर द राइट आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी ओनली 1 and 3 फॉलो. लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस सेट. समोसाज आर जलेबीज. समोसाज आर जलेबी, मतलब मान तो नहीं सकते हम ये बात, बट ठीक है, मानना पड़ेगा. मान लेते हैं कि सारे समोसे जलेबी है. ठीक है, सारे के सारे समोसे बन गए जलेबी. ठीक. अब ऑल जलेबीज आर टिक्कीज, तो समोसा भी इसके अंदर आ गया. ऑल टिक्कीज आर बर्फीज. तो इस तरीके का एक फिगर बन के आएगा. बहुत ही इजीली हम लोग इसको बना सकते हैं. फर्स्ट, समोसे और जलेबी को इजीली नहीं बना सकते, इस सवाल को इजीली बना सकते हैं. ऑल जलेबीज आर बर्फी. ऑल जलेबीज आर बर्फी. All jalebis are burfis. That is correct. Second, all tikkis are samosas. All tikkis are samosa? No. All samosas are tikki, but not all tikkis are samosas. So B is second is wrong. Third, all samosas are burfi. All samosas are burfi. Yes. So 1 and 3 follow हो रहा है अभी तक. And last is all burfi are jalebi. और बर्फी और जलेबी नहीं, उल्टा होता है ये. सो फॉर श्योर हम लोग 1 and 3 कह सकते हैं. सो गोइंग बाय दैट, द राइट आंसर हियर इज गोइंग टू बी बी. सो यू सॉ कितनी आसानी से हमने ये सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिए. सो इन केस इफ एट ऑल क्वेश्चंस लाइक दीज कम इन योर एग्जामिनेशन, you know how to solve it. So that was my whole goal for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep on watching all the videos which we regularly upload on the official channel of our CLAT Gurukul. I'll see you next time with a different set of questions. Till then, take very good care of yourself and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.